So what's up, guys? And today I got a RC helicopter. It is a small one. By the way, I made the launch pad on my own. So that is the helicopter. Right now it's just on charge. It's charging up with the controller. Well, the light turned off, so it must be charged. So guys, I just bought this. It was £20. So guys, let's test it in 3, 2, 1. Okay guys, I think we're ready. I'm just gonna unplug the helicopter. And then unplug the controller. And then turn the controller on. I left this on charge when I came back, so yeah. Now I'm going to turn the helicopter on, and as you can see guys, that is glowing up. Really nice. Spins. It is really cool. By the way, I had this fan on so the engine could cool down. Not helmet. So guys, let's test it in 3, 2, 1. Okay. Yikes. Okay guys, I'm not a professional. What happened? What a crash. Sorry about those cables there. But guys, look at that. All down to the toys. I mean, good the ambulance was there, but it didn't help. So, let's try again. Take 2. 3, 2, 1. Here we go again. Guys, do not concentrate on me. On the helicopter, guys. I'm gonna stand back. Still flying. Oh, crap. Damn it. I'm not a professional at all. I think I might need a bit more space. That's it. Whoa. Yo guys, I just landed it. I just landed the helicopter, legit. It just landed. Guys, I am actually being serious. It just landed. Oh guys, I could use the dartboard as a little landing pad. Nah. Guys, now while I'm here, let me show you a quick review on the helicopter. So yeah, of course, this is a self-balancing helicopter. The back spins. It's like, this is so realistic. The size at the side as well. When these spin, it gives the air to blow that, like. So then that spins, obviously, to the left. On my side it's to the left, on your side it's to the right. Yeah. That is the engine, and then if you can guys see, there's the battery and all that. That is the charging socket. That's the bottom where it spins. By the way guys, this is not waterproof. Not waterproof. Over the past few years I've had about 26 of these, and I've only had, to be honest, one quadcopter. The one with the 4 things. As you can see guys, so that looks like a mini, like a lawnmower thing. Okay, let's not talk about lawnmowers. So that's the glowing part. Let me just turn this off. But yeah guys, the back glows as well, so that looks so cool. It looks legit. Now, as I was saying, I'm not a professional, but guys, just have a look at these DC motors. These two motors, that one there and that one there, if you can see them. And that's the stem to go up to there. Guys, I love things like these. When it comes to flying things, I'm not a professional, but when it comes to remote control things like cars and that, I'm on it. So guys, if you want me to make any more videos like on things, guys, as I was saying, I hate it when someone interrupts, but yeah, if you want me to make any more videos on remote control stuff or anything, just comment. So till next time, guys, as you know what I'm gonna say, if you're new to my channel, then subscribe if you're new, like if you enjoyed, only if you enjoyed. But till next time, guys, peace out.